Let's analyze the quadratic function f of x equals negative x squared plus 4x plus 5. We need to find its vertex, axis of symmetry, x-intercepts, and y-intercept. This parabola opens downward since the coefficient of x squared is negative. To find the vertex, we use the formula h equals negative b over 2a. For our function, a equals negative 1 and b equals 4. So h equals negative 4 over 2 times negative 1, which equals 2. The y-coordinate k equals f of 2, which is negative 4 plus 8 plus 5 equals 9. Therefore, the vertex is at the point 2, 9. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line x equals 2 passing through the vertex. To find x-intercepts, we set the function equal to 0 and solve negative x squared plus 4x plus 5 equals 0. Factoring gives us x plus 1 times x minus 5 equals 0, so x equals negative 1 and x equals 5. The y-intercept is found by evaluating f of 0, which equals 5. Here's our complete analysis of f of x equals negative x squared plus 4x plus 5. The vertex is at 2, 9, which is the highest point since the parabola opens downward. The axis of symmetry is the line x equals 2. The parabola crosses the x-axis at negative 1, 0 and 5, 0, and crosses the y-axis at 0, 5. This gives us a complete picture of the quadratic function's behavior. To summarize what we've learned, the vertex formula gives us both the axis of symmetry and maximum point. For downward parabolas, the vertex represents the highest value. We find x-intercepts by solving the equation, and the y-intercept is simply the constant term. These key features together allow us to completely understand and sketch any quadratic function.